Well, let's see how this goes. I am gonna test out the stream audio here in a minute, and then I might do some game art until my husband gets home, and then I don't know, we might hang out or something, or I might do more game art. I don't know yet. So actually my game art work in progress stuff is over here, and I have the game running over there. Let me check the stream on my phone, except it makes me watch an ad every time. Boop, ba-doop, ba-doop. Oops, that popped open in my other desktop. That's a temporary front page. I don't like this title screen. I'll update it later. Okay, just a second. Well, let's see how this goes. Well, you can hear me. That's good. So I just bought this computer and I don't have any music on it. So that might be a bit boring. I feel like every time I use something from Free Sound, is that one? I don't know, some sort of free music library place, it just kind of it flags that shit on YouTube, so that's annoying. So I've been working on trying to get another demo out for this. I've been trying to clean it up. Here, let me open up the itch.io page. So there is a demo, but it's using the old art. Originally I just kind of did like simple line drawings just to do it fast. I got a lot of it done last year, but I've been going through and updating the graphics to look better and just finishing the story and cleaning up the dialogue and everything else. So now it just has a really cruddy demo. I'm trying to make the demo better. So you can start like this. I don't know if that desktop audio is going to be too loud. I guess I'll check my stream on my phone again. So give me a moment. How far behind is my... Oh no, my stream is super far behind me. Well, I'm gonna turn the game audio down anyway. We'll just see how this goes. Hopefully this computer is able to stream and for me to program or do art in GIMP and then also run a RenPy program, so we'll see. So I have a lot of the demo done, but I wanted to add one more scene onto what was in the original demo. So, and there's probably some cleanup to do here and there too. So, okay. I'm looking at my live stream, it's slow. So you start out, your first choice is to go to one of these places. So let's go to the library. So you should play the demo yourself instead of reading it here. Because no one's really, I mean, a few people have downloaded the demo, but it's like I want the demo to be better, so I need to update this. So they're doing a discussion, I'm over here. Well, like me, as in me, the main character, I guess. Spiders. No more spiders. Okay. Now my stream isn't even playing at all. I feel like the internet in my bedroom is not very good. Nope, stream is still a lot farther behind. I just wanted to check the audio levels. Okay, so, I don't know if I have all the animations here. I could fix that up. There was some set of animations that were off. Also, that was also very, very loud. I have no voices. It would actually be cool to have voice acting, but that would not be for a while. Oh, let me look at my stream now. Very loud. Oh, it's not that far behind anymore. It would actually be cool to have voice acting, but that would not be for a while. Okay. It sounds like the music is not too unbearably loud. It's still louder. I'm gonna replace this music. Okay, so they doing their thing. So that's basically what was in the original demo, but it was a little different. And now I was working on this part. But I haven't finished all the scenes and backgrounds and animation. So what I need to do next is you can help one of the people. Oops. You can help someone here with working on cleaning up the place. So let me go into the scripts. I think I need to draw like the outside of the house. Scenes. And this is and so when you choose one, where are they each at? The Hina is outside, and Oya Mahina is outside too, and then Shahina is in the kitchen? She's in the kitchen. That means I have some scenes to draw from scratch, unfortunately, but it can be fun. So I have okay, I started on the kitchen. So I usually start out with like some sort of reference picture. So I kind of drew like my own room area, and then I was gonna put like kitchen stuff over here, kind of like where this is. So I just really started and that was it. So I'm gonna try to add some more onto it. So furniture lines, nothing here yet. And I can kind of just trace around that and then change things up as I want. So that's usually at least how I get some sort of room looking right. Okay, and I need to do something for my tablet. Okay, now that will map it to just one screen because there's not really a Wacom utility for Linux, so I had to make a little script. So we can see that here. It does these things and then it gets the stylus ID and sets that, so yay. Okay, that is supposed to be going up against the wall, and then I will draw the same kind of sink. I honestly don't know what's supposed to be in a medievalish kind of kitchen, so we'll just do something. Maybe I'll look it up here in a second. It doesn't have to be very historically correct. It is about fairies after all. She should have a coffee pot though. That does seem like something that everyone should have. So why am I doing a weird fairy tale game? Well, mostly because I can't write so well. I am not I don't have any practice writing, so I wanted to make a visual novel. It's easier to do that kind of outside of work when I'm at work coding for like 8 or 9 hours a day. Like, I don't want to just spend all my time coming home and then writing a game engine in C++. So I've been working on this since last year, and it's just something to kind of do and feel productive and get some stuff done. I'm gonna. Should I draw these boards up here? I don't know. Um, so, and it lets me do some art and maybe do some music. I might write some music too. I'll try. I'm not that good at it, but we'll see. I'll just make these short, small shelves and then do the same sort of thing here. It doesn't have to be that detailed. I've just been doing this sort of like fuzzy line thing for the background art and for the foreground art, but the backgrounds I'm not even doing shading. I'm just making it kind of really easy on myself, and I think it looks good enough, which you saw when the game was running. But where did my other, oh, there it is. Scenes, game, assets, background. Well, these backgrounds don't look good. That one looks okay. And when it's kind of hidden by large characters on the screen, that's fine. Whatever. So, again, we'll just kind of update this a little bit at a time. It doesn't have to look amazing. Just getting stuff done. And once the demo is done, I'm going to have a lot more backgrounds to draw. So that's also, I mean, I enjoy making the backgrounds, but it's also very time consuming. I can usually get like one background done per day, and I don't work every day on my games. Okay, so I'll hide that. Let's look at the other house kind of colors. It doesn't have to match exactly, but maybe through here is that. Oh yeah, I was gonna make this a door as well, so I don't know. Oops, wrong brush. So something like that, and then just kind of draw some lines. Okay, background colors. I'm gonna go to the hard-edged tool, which it's still on this texture, which is annoying, but every time I change the brush, it changes the size. Okay, so hide that for now. We'll just go with maybe the same kind of colors. I don't know, maybe that'll make it seem like, yes, this is the same house. So, drawing around the perimeter. And getting the baseboard. And there's some overlap, but that's okay. Because it's digital art and you can redo things as much as you want. My cat is coming closer. She's probably going to try to knock my computer off the desk to look outside. We'll see. Okay. That, I need to color this door. Lighter color than that, that's too dark. Yeah, let's do something like that. And then, just to make the backgrounds more interesting, I've been adding this splotch layer. So, you can just do that to every layer. Alright, so that's that part, and now the furniture. I'll add more furniture as we go. Yeah, I mean, it's not exactly medieval style. It's just like, okay, there's a fireplace, but also a modern looking shelf, or, I don't know, modern looking curtains? modern looking rug? Yeah. It's not historical fiction. But yeah, I was saying that I am working on just a story based on Fairytales because it's public domain. And I just think it's fun to kind of mix things up and make your own version of the characters. So that's what I've been doing. Countertop. Let's erase this line and we'll just make that a kind of a continuous area. And I'm gonna also have to add some other effects in here too. So, I should find some music that I can play while I do this. All the days. I don't know. I'll make that brighter. So, I thought of just randomly playing music, like literal random music. Maybe I'll do that on a stream and just write a random music generator, and we can go through that process. Because that's kind of something I want to do, because it sounds like fun. We'll make the top of this, I guess it should kind of be yellow anyway. I don't know, I'm not an interior decorator. I feel like anytime I make a house in like The Sims or House Flipper, it's like, this looks like crap. Because I am not good at that. But it is fun. Okay. This thing doesn't quite make sense from a 3D standpoint. I'm gonna add that. And that means I also have to erase some lines back there. Boop. So today is also the last day of the sprint at work. I have a day job as a software developer. This looks kind of weird. I'm gonna just add a bunch of shit so that you don't notice how bad it is. I could also add like a door back here or something, but what do people keep in their kitchens? Medieval kitchen? Just bowls and stuff, barrels. Apples, pots. I could draw like a old-timey window. This is also like a very modern thing, I think. So whatever. I'm gonna draw a window. We'll just make it like 2 big blocks of wood, I guess. And it doesn't have to be aligned because that gives it character, right? If everything's lopsided, right? We'll leave it like that. And outside, I don't know, any good pictures of windows? It's kind of just a wooden frame around it. She did have curtains in the other room, but who cares? Actually, you know, at this point in the story, she's moving out. So there shouldn't be that much furniture around anyway. But they are packing up the kitchen, so I don't know. Boop, ba-doop, 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 boop, boo. Let's say it's a nice day outside. Now my cat is scratching my bed. I always draw my landscapes like butt cheeks, and then you just fill it in, and then there you go. You got rolling hills. And I colored over the lines, but that's okay, because this is digital art. There. Everything kind of looks terrible. Oh yeah, I forgot the splotch on the layer up here. So I'll put it there. Now, if you put a like soft lit layer inside of a folder, it'll only affect the things below it in the folder. So if this is up here, it's going to affect everything, but I already have a splotch layer on here. Oh, well, maybe not. I think it'll affect anything that's not in a folder, but it's kind of wonky. So, well, they're cleaning that up. I guess let's make this kind of a brass door, iron doorknob, I don't know. And we can save that for now and just kind of test that out. So usually I'll kind of work on one scene at a time and just make the assets as I need. I know that's not the most efficient way, but I'm just kind of I don't know, it's not like I have everything planned ahead of time, so I just make the assets I need. Okay, so we're over here. That's gonna be all of the scripting isn't really done. Like the dialogue is there, but there's no transitions. So where's my text editor? I don't know. There we go. I need the base folder, actually. Game? Wait, where is my game data file? Okay. Oh, this is a different project. Oops, dang it. Open this with Adam. Maybe? No, go away. Okay, so I like using Control D to duplicate a line, but that doesn't work here. I am still trying to figure out a good text editor for this stuff. Okay, so we'll copy that. We need to go to the banishment scene. What's wrong, Pixel? What do you want? What? 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 Come here. What's up, Pixie? So moving, we have this label. We will, oh, I just unplugged my tablet. Show background that with fade, so it'll fade to black first. And then over here, while I'm working on it, I can make it auto reload. So when it detects a change in the script or in any images, it does that. I need to change this a little bit, hide Lahina, hide Eja is the original name, but I changed it to Oja. Okay. And we will show Shahina neutral at right? And maybe do a pause. RenPy.pause. Show Eja neutral at left with dissolve. Okay. Oh, my cousin's here. Hello. What's up? I was doing some streaming. I'm gonna turn off my streaming. Where did the thing go? Okay, bye.